I understand the pain of loss and how difficult it can be to cope with. Losing a beloved pet can be a heartbreaking experience, and it's important to take the time you need to grieve and heal. In our lives, we often face daunting challenges and losses, but we must keep moving forward. The key is to focus on the memories you shared with your pet and the joy they brought to your life. Just like the memories of fallen comrades, the memories of your pet will stay with you forever. Remember the times when your pet made you laugh, comforted you when you were feeling down, or just simply enjoyed spending time with you. Cherish those memories and hold on to them tightly. They will give you the strength to push forward and honor your pet's memory. It's also important to seek support from others during this difficult time. Just like how we have the support of our fellow soldiers, you can lean on friends and family who understand and empathize with your loss. Talk to them about your feelings and share your memories of your pet. You may find comfort in knowing that you're not alone in your grief. What is it that we always say? Hope is what makes us strong. It may take time, but with hope and perseverance, you will be able to move forward and find happiness again. Your pet will always be a part of your life, and their memory will continue to live on through you.